In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a chart image from TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to grab a clean snapshot of any chart in just a few clicks, perfect for sharing with teammates, posting on social, or dropping into a report. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the TradingView website. Once you're on the home page, look for the navigation at the top. Hover over or click on Products, then choose Super Charts. This opens TradingView's full charting workspace where you can view markets, apply indicators, and customize layouts. When the chart loads, give it a moment to render everything clearly. Before you capture the image, make sure the chart looks exactly the way you want. Pick the symbol you need, select your preferred time frame, and adjust zoom so the most important price action is visible. If you're using indicators, confirm they're turned on and showing the sections you care about. A quick visual check now will save you from retaking the screenshot later. With your chart ready, look toward the top right area of the chart interface. You'll see a small camera icon. Click that camera icon, and from the options that appear, choose Download Image. TradingView will automatically create a snapshot of what's on your chart canvas and start the download. There's no need to drag a selection box or crop anything. It captures the chart as it appears on your screen. Your image will typically save to your browser's default downloads folder. The file name usually includes the instrument and timestamp, which makes it easy to find later. If you prefer a different name or location, go ahead and rename or move the file once it's saved. Most of the time, the image format will be a high-quality PNG, which works well for presentations, documents, and social posts. To confirm everything looks good, open the downloaded image and check clarity, labels, and colors. If you want a little extra crispness, try maximizing your browser window or increasing the chart area before capturing. And if you need the chart to show more or less detail, adjust the zoom or time frame and repeat the same capture process. That's all there is to it. Go to the TradingView site, open Super Charts, click the camera icon, and select Download Image. It's fast, reliable, and gives you a professional-looking chart every time. If this was helpful, feel free to pause and replay any section while you follow along. Thanks for watching and happy charting.